guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm just in the Dunkin Donuts parking lot right now because you guys know I love Dunkin Donuts. Okay, stop playing with me. Okay, so anyway, this is the strawberry dragon fruit refresher with less ice. Don't let them jip you, y'all. Get the less ice. And that drink was free because I use the points. If you sign up for their app, yeah, you can get free drinks and stuff. I'm having hash browns. And then I got a strawberry frosted donut, and she's supposed to give me the one with the sprinkles and she forgot, but whatever. Anyway, it's not that deep, it's not that serious. But today is January 18th. Tomorrow's my birthday. Tomorrow I turn 27. That feels mad old for no reason. But I know it's not, but still. But yeah, so today I've just been filming reels and trying to get a lot of content pre-filmed and stuff like that, so that I can have content ready for the rest of this month and for February and stuff like that. So I'm trying to get a lot of content out there. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back at my house and I have 2 packages that I need to ship. This lighting is horrible. But yeah, I have 2 packages I need to ship. I have an Etsy as well as a website. So yeah, so I got 2 orders from Etsy. They both ordered a leave-in conditioner. So this is definitely my best-selling product. Ever since I came out with this product has been the best seller. So yeah, everyone seems to really like the leave-in conditioner, and I'm really happy about it because it took me 7 months to develop this product. I really put a lot of time and effort, and I was definitely not in a rush to develop this product because I wanted it to be really good, and I wanted it to work for people, especially with people who have afro textured hair. So it works for people who have curly all the way to kinky curly hair, and I do have a customer who has wavy hair and it works for her. So yeah, so I'm gonna package those orders, and I'm probably gonna put my ring light on just so the lighting can be a little bit better. It's 4:30, the post office closed at 5, so I need to get to packing these orders. Okay, so I'm gonna run to the post office, but I forgot that I have a local delivery order for my friend. So if you live in New Bedford, Massachusetts, then you can select the local delivery option and you don't have to pay for shipping, but I do have a delivery fee of $2.99. But my friend, she ordered the scalp massaging brush. So these are so cute. They're pink and they have silicone bristles, and then using the scalp massage brush is really beneficial to promoting hair growth. You can also use it with your shampoo. And yeah, so it works perfectly in combination with our hair growth oil. So definitely make sure you get these 2 together. Whenever you buy more than 1 product on my website, you get 10% off. If you buy 2, if you buy 3, you get 15% off. And if you buy 4, you get 20% off. So there's no code needed. You just have to add it to cart, and it automatically gives you the discount depending on how much products are in your cart. But I'm gonna stop talking because I'm not trying to miss the post office. Hi guys, so I have a wholesale order that I need to pack, but I wanted to drop it off at the post office today, but I don't think I'm going to be able to because I need to make 6 Jamaican black castor oils, and then I also need to get some labels because some of them have labels and some don't. I ran out, so I'm probably going to I'm going to have to contact the person who placed this order and let them know that it won't ship out until Monday, which isn't bad, because it's still gonna ship out in less than a week, because I don't think she placed the order that long ago. She only placed it a couple of days ago. So basically, when I say wholesale, it's only for people, because I know some people use the term wrong. Like people who have businesses, like small businesses, they'll be like, oh, I offer wholesale, and they mean it in the terms of like private label, which is basically private label is if I were to sell you this product without my label on it, and I said, oh, you can use this, put your own label on it, and you could sell it as your own, but I don't do that. That's called private label. I do wholesale. So like I'm the owner of this product. It has my label on it. This is my company, and you have a store, and you're going to sell my product in your store, and you're going to make profit off of it, but everyone who purchases it is going to know that this is mine, right? Like I don't do private label, like no. So a few people have asked me that in the past. No, I do not do private label. But if you have a store and you want to sell my products with my label on it, sure. But if you want to sell it and repackage it as your own, I don't do that. But anyway, so this person, her name is Catherine. She owns Belux Beauty Supply Store. It's in Illinois. And so, yeah, so she ordered 6 leave-in conditioners. She ordered 6 of the grapefruit and mint hair growth oils. She ordered 6 of the 4-ounce hair growth butters. And then she ordered 6 of the Jamaican black castor oils. I need to actually restock that today. So I'm probably going to just contact her and let her know that it'll ship out on Monday, because I want to make sure I have like my better labels on here, because the labels that I had on this one, like as you can see, they're not like waterproof, and I don't want it on her shelf like that. So if it gets water on it or anything like that, so I want to make sure she has like the good labels for those. And so I'm gonna have to run to Staples and do that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna bubble wrap the ones that are all set, like the leave-in conditioners, and I'm gonna bubble wrap the oils because those ones are all set. So let me lower this, guys. I need to clean my office. I feel like I say that like every video, but yeah, I really do. Okay, so I'm actually just gonna ship this on the, like do this video on the vlog, and then I'm gonna post like a separate video on my Instagram because I want to do like a reel. But yeah, so I just had a random thought. Like I was just trying to cut this bubble wrap with my left hand, and tell me why I couldn't even cut the bubble wrap with my left hand. I'm like, it's so weird how like one hand is dominant and the other isn't. Like it's weird how you can do stuff with your left hand, but like certain things you can't do. Like your left hand can assist with certain things, but to a certain extent. Like it's so weird that like both hands are not at that same level. But I just had a random thought. This is what goes on in here. Okay. It's cute. Kind of looks like Frisky.
No, Prince.
No, I didn't.
He looked like a flamingo, but on Mom's phone...
A flamingo?
On Mom's phone, it doesn't translate.
What the heck are you talking about?
His legs look like a flamingo.
Oh my gosh. Girl, I'm sorry, but my packaging is mad cute, and I don't care what anybody says. I don't think I'll ever get over my packaging. I'm just looking at it and I'm like, that's mad cute. Huh? What? Staples right now, and this is what I need. They're blank circle.
Customer service and recall holding. Customer service.
So they're blank circle labels. So this is what I'm gonna use to put on my 4-ounce butters that I showed you guys. So basically, I'm gonna send my design to them, buy this, and then they're gonna print it on this for me. Okay, so I'm in my car now, and this is what it looks like. I only ended up printing 2 sheets, so 24 in total, just because I am going to be changing my business name. I'm going to go into detail as to why, but it's not because I don't love the name. It's legal reasons, which I'll get into that in another video. But I kind of hinted at it before on my Instagram. So yeah, so if you're not following my Instagram, then be sure to do that. But basically, like, I didn't want to print out a lot. If I'm going to be changing my business name soon, then I'm going to have a bunch of labels with my old business name. So yeah. So anyway, so basically I only did 2 sheets, and it only came out to, with the cost of buying the labels and then printing the sheets, it comes out to about like 24 cents per label if you print on them, which is really cheap. So yeah. So that's pretty much it right now. I'm actually really hungry. I feel like I need to eat because, like, I'm like here, but I'm not here. Like, I feel like I'm kind of like spacey. Like, and I'm like, it's taken me a long time to process things. Like, I need to eat. So I'm going to go get something to eat. I don't know what I'm going to eat. I know I want boba tea, but I need to actually eat food. So I'm going to figure that out. And yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. So guys, guess where I am? I'll let you guess. I'll give you a second to guess. Dunkin' Donuts. I really need to stop coming here alone, but for real, like, I need to eat, and this is like, it's just right here. It's very convenient. But anyway, so I feel so awkward because literally as I'm pulling in, I see this guy outside of his truck, and this Dunkin', the lady who works at Dunkin', and there was like concrete pieces all over the floor. This guy's side of his whole truck is all dented in, and he hit the trash can. So they have trash cans, but the trash cans are coated with like cement, and I don't know, I think he turned and hit it, and like, I feel bad. The poor guy's car is like all messed up, and it's just so awkward because I had to drive around him to get into the drive-through. But like, he was laughing with the girl, so they're probably trying to make a light of the situation. But that guy's truck is like all messed up. Like, the side door is like all dented in, and like, but anyway, I just saw that and I thought that was, just wanted to share that. But I feel so bad for him. But he seemed like he was trying to make light of his day. Granted, it could have been way worse if this was like an actual accident. But yeah, that's crazy. Okay, so I'm back home. I got my fruity boba tea. This is called the Rosé All Day. It's like rose tea, and it has like strawberry puree, I think, in it. But instead of getting the strawberry bursting boba, I got the coconut jellies at the bottom, and it's pretty good. But I always ask them to do it less sweet because this is a really sweet tea, and I just can't be doing all that. So it kind of ruins it for me if it's too sweet. So I always say less sweet. It's so refreshing. It's so good. So I'm going to be labeling these. I'm so happy I got these labels today. So that's that. So basically right now I'm just taping around the sides of this butter just so that nothing comes out, because this butter is heat sensitive, and so I just want to make sure that everything gets to her as it should, and I don't want anything leaking or melting or anything, but like, yeah, so basically that's what I'm doing, just to make sure everything gets to her as it should. But she's gonna have to like take the tape off, or whoever ends up buying the product is gonna have to take the tape off. But I know that some of my customers do appreciate that I tape it. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm actually on my way to work. I just have to pack a couple orders before I go to work, and yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm about to start another vlog. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe for my small business vlogs and check out my website and shop my hair care products. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.